Hello viewers, welcome to Makiga. Today you have been taken through all the machines that Makiga manufactures and sells. I'm here today to tell you about how you can make money with Makiga Machines, especially you, the youth. Number one, when you buy our Makiga Machines, we offer you free training. In that training, we teach you how to make quality blocks in which you can sell to your communities. Number one, how you can make money with Makiga Machines is you can buy the machine and hire it out to people who would require your services. You can easily make 2,000 shillings per day with a Makiga machine. Secondly, you can make blocks, have a yard, and sell your blocks off the yard. We have shown you we have various machines. We have the paver machines, we have the block making machines, we have the hollow block machines. Come to Makiga and see the machines that we have, and we shall take you through. Thirdly, you can build a sample wall to show your customers how the blocks cut the cost of construction.
Business plan.
Okay. Welcome to Makiga, and when you buy a Makiga machine, we shall offer you free training on how to make quality blocks. We shall offer you free business plans on how to make money with Makiga machines. Siri ya ujenzi, siri ni Makiga.